Here's how to set up the quick menu in Procreate. This is a fantastic feature that allows you to have your most used functions at easy access. First thing to do is come into the little spanner, come along to the Preferences tab and go down to Gesture Controls. Here, come to the Quick Menu tab and you want to assign a gesture or an action that is easy for you to remember and use. I've added the quick menu to the Apple Pencil double tap. So when I double tap on the side of my Apple Pencil, I get the quick menu. So coming back into the artwork, I will invoke the quick menu. And now we have the option to adjust which actions we have. So if you simply hold down one of the actions, you get the option to replace it with a whole host of different functions available in Procreate. You also have the option to add more than one different quick menu. So if you're reusing different sets of actions a lot, this can be really good if you're working in different types of projects. Perhaps you're working in anime, or you're designing a tattoo, or you're creating an animation and you need a different set of quick tools. So that you can then edit all of your different actions. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not give me a little follow? I'll be posting videos 3 times a week, and I've also got over 100 free color palettes just for you in the description.